Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Ford Expedition Max Limited. Comes equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, navigation, heated second row seats, and so much more. Come check it out. So you're going to have this tan interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom next to the Sony sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your chrome accent there, Sony branding. You're going to have these running boards here as well, and these power adjustable heated ventilated leather seats with seat memory. Super nice. And left side will be your vents with your lighting control. And left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control and your odometer cluster control for this side, which is, display mode, trip and fuel, your towing, your off-road, and other settings as well. And the right side is for your entertainment, navigation, and as well as your phone connectivity and just the volume and voice recognition. So it's going to be push to start. Here you're going to have hill descent control, power lift gate, and the integrated brake controller with the 2- and 4-wheel. And onto the infotainment AM/FM radio with Bluetooth connectivity, as well as navigation. Downloadable apps here as well with Sirius Travel Link, and again other settings there as well, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below you're going to have your CD player and as well as the dual zone climate controls and a little extra storage in the center console with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt. Lots of extra deep storage there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, chrome accents across, speakers, vents up top, and then huge access reading lamps and your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these 20-inch chromed aluminum wheels on Nexon Rhodian ATX tires, paint match mirror caps, and then you got the chrome door handles. Roof rack up top, tinted glass in the back here. It's the Max, so it's got a super long back here. Trailer hitch, exhaust. So the third row does fold down. You're also going to have the shelf divider here in case you got to stop them sinks there, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, paneling storage next to the speaker, power windows with the chrome accent. In the third row, you got the bench seat here with cup holders on each side with a little extra storage, vents and lamps up top. Go here into the second row, heated seats on each side, not in the middle, unfortunately. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders. You're going to have rear volume control, AC wall port, and the climate with the heated seats there. This also folds down for the armrest, vents and lamps up top with the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out the 2017 Ford Expedition Max Limited, equipped with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, all-terrain tires, heated second row seats, running boards, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.